Hello again, we're now going to do example 4 on page 69. Okay, so now we are going to basically create this program. If you think you can do it without the video, you can feel free, but I would edit the program from example 3 just to make it easier and quicker. So if I go to example 3 program, which is like this, what we want to do at this stage is to pull in a loop, put it there, and then put these two in like that. Now, what we want to change, as you can see, is we need a delay of 10 milliseconds calculation, and this is going to be the same. This needs to change, that needs to change. So if you just follow the video, then that should be quite straightforward. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to insert the delay. I'm going to make that 10 milliseconds. So obviously you need to save with a new file name, otherwise you would save over your example 3, which you don't want to do. Okay, so that's 10 milliseconds. And I want to change the text in this print string here from hello world to hundreds. So where it says hello world in the print string command, I want to make that hundreds. Remember your inverted commas. Calculation, I need to put that in. Oops, sorry, that one. Yeah. Right, now on page 69, you can see that there is the calculation says count equals count plus 1, with count being a variable. So we need to create a variable there, count. Leaving it on the default again. And inserting it by saying count equals count plus 1, like so. And then the number that we want to print here will be count. Nice. You put a variable or a number in there. Okay, so what the program is going to do is it's going to start the display, LCD display, then it's going to print hundreds. What's it going to do then? It's going to, after 10 milliseconds, very short pause, then you'll have, it will go through a loop where it's going to start what? Yeah. So what do you think it's going to do as it goes through here? So it's going to get so every time it goes through it, count, the variable count is going to get bigger because it's just added one to itself, and then we're printing the number count. Yeah. Now it says hundreds of a second. So if you get 1,000 1 second, you divide it by 100, then you get 10 milliseconds. Yeah. Hundreds. So there's your second hand. Doesn't look to be that accurate actually, but that's because I think the delay in my computer rather than hopefully in the college computers it should be more stable. But we can try that on by compiling it to chip. But definitely have a look through the program so that you understand it, or speak to your teacher. And if it works, then again, well done. I would then change the 10 milliseconds to make it seconds. So I would make how many milliseconds would that be? Or well, you've just put it onto seconds. Or if you wanted tenths of a second, then you would put in 100 milliseconds, wouldn't you? Or 0.1 seconds. Okay, thank you.